Yeah.
The priest used Judas's money to buy the field.
Excellent.
So that's why it can be said with his money, or Judas bought the field because it was his money.
So let's say he has $200 and he throws it at me. He's like, psh. He threw that money at me and then went and killed himself. I go and buy a car with it. Can you say he bought a car?
I don't feel so good.
You know.
No. If you use this money to do that,
If he threw the money at me and he's dead and I buy a car, you said he bought it?
okay, so let me ask you this.
Go ahead.
Let's say my dad gave me money,
Okay.
and I used that money to go buy a car. Can it
Excellent.
not be said that my dad bought that car?
No.
That's
Let's say your dad gives you $100. He just throws it at you. You go buy meth with it. Can we arrest your dad for buying
no,
meth?
you can't arrest my dad.
That's
for doing it.
because you did it. We cannot say your dad did it. Come on, bro. Come on. Give me that.
So if my dad threw me the $200, I'm
Right.
going to buy a car with it. I can't say my dad.
No, because he just threw money at you. They made the decision to buy the land, not him.
That's not against his consent or with it.
Did he say buy the land?
He didn't say don't buy the land.
Excellent. Did your dad say buy the meth?
He didn't say don't buy it.
Exactly.
Let's
So
go.
does that mean he gets arrested for buying meth?
Let's go to the car.
It's over, bro.
I don't feel so good.